The forward collision warning system is a critical safety feature that helps prevent accidents by monitoring the road ahead and alerting drivers to potential collisions. FCW systems use a combination of radar, cameras, and LiDAR sensors positioned around the vehicle to create a comprehensive detection zone. These sensors continuously monitor the area in front of the car for obstacles, other vehicles, and pedestrians. The system relies on several key components working together. Forward-facing radar sensors detect objects and measure distances, while stereo cameras provide visual recognition. The electronic control unit processes all sensor data to determine collision risk. When the FCW malfunction light appears on your dashboard, it indicates a problem that needs immediate attention. The system may not function properly, compromising your vehicle's safety features. Based on 2025 industry data, the most common causes of FCW malfunctions are dirty or misaligned sensors, accounting for 45% of cases. Software and calibration issues make up 30%, while environmental factors like extreme weather cause 15% of problems. The first troubleshooting step is a thorough visual inspection. Check all sensor locations around your vehicle for dirt, snow, ice, or any physical damage that might obstruct their operation. For cleaning, use only a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Clean sensors with gentle circular motions and avoid any abrasive materials that could scratch the sensor surfaces. Finally, try a system reset by turning off the engine completely, waiting 30 seconds, then restarting the vehicle. This ignition cycle can resolve temporary software errors and clear minor glitches in the FCW system. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the FCW malfunction, professional diagnosis with specialized equipment will be necessary to identify and fix more complex issues. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve FCW malfunctions, advanced diagnostic procedures are required. The first step is using an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific error codes from the vehicle's computer system. Outdated firmware is a leading cause of FCW malfunctions. Modern vehicles receive over-the-air updates that can resolve software-related issues. Always verify that your vehicle's FCW system is running the latest firmware version. Calibration is critical for FCW system accuracy, especially after windshield replacement or front-end service work. There are two main types: static calibration, performed in a controlled environment, and dynamic calibration done while driving under specific conditions. For persistent issues, dealer-level diagnostics using manufacturer-specific tools are necessary. Tools like Honda HDS or Toyota TechStream provide deep system access that generic scanners cannot match. Properly maintained FCW systems achieve an impressive 98.5% uptime. Addressing malfunctions promptly not only prevents accidents, but can also result in insurance savings of up to 15% for vehicles with functioning collision warning systems.